How to make a basic homemade facial scrub. Facial scrubs are a great way to exfoliate your skin and remove dry, flaky patches. Instead of spending money on an expensive scrub from the store, you can make your own facial scrub right at home. Cleansing cream and sugar scrub. Wash your face thoroughly. Splash a little lukewarm water on your face, and use a soft and clean cloth to gently scrub it. You may also use some facial soap, whichever you prefer or is best for your skin. Put about a teaspoon of cleansing cream in the palm of your hand. This can be whatever you have on hand, just make sure it is creamy in texture. Pour 2 teaspoons of sugar over the cleansing cream. Use both hands to mix the cleansing cream and sugar together, creating a gritty paste. Use a fine-grained sugar, rather than coarse or turbinado sugar. Larger grains can scratch your face. If you want to make extra scrub for later, mix the cleansing cream and the sugar in a bowl, adding the right amount of both ingredients to create a gritty texture. Place the mixture in a jar with a lid, and store on your bathroom shelf for next time. Apply the mixture to your face in a circular motion. Pay close attention to the side of the nose and any little lines or dry spots. Be careful around the eyes. If you get a little scrub in your eyes, just flush with water. Wet a washcloth with lukewarm water. Lean over the sink and start removing the scrub from your face, wetting the washcloth again as needed. Finish by splashing your face with cold water. This closes your pores and freshens your face. Dry with a soft towel.